This is just a little video giving you a room tour of the standard double room that I booked at the Waldorf Astoria in New York. I used my Hilton Honors free nights to stay here, which is actually pretty difficult to do. I'll go over that in another video. The room was beautiful, well appointed with great amenities. The room was incredibly spacious, especially for New York City. It was unbelievable how much square footage we had. The robes were a 7 out of 10. Closet could have been bigger. If there were more people staying in this room, it could have been difficult to store the clothes, but it was nice to have that, and I managed to turn this little desk into a vanity area, brought my own mirror for that. The room itself was gorgeous, well appointed, had everything you could need, very stylish decor for a hotel room. It almost felt like a hotel lobby. My biggest and quite possibly my only complaint about this stay was the fact that even though I have Hilton Diamond status, I was not offered an upgrade, even though I was there on the date of the snowstorm in February of 2026. So there was plenty of availability for upgrades that weekend. It actually worked out to my benefit, though, because we were given a ground floor room and we were able to store our champagne right outside in the snow because there was no refrigerator in the room. It was just a mini bar. So this way we could keep our beverages nice and cold. Overall, it was a great stay, and I would definitely go back. The base rooms at this property are much bigger than suites that I've stayed in other properties, including Waldorf Astoria's. So I'm incredibly happy with this stay, and I'm hoping to go back and experience it again sometime in the future. Maybe I'll get an upgrade next time.